This video will show you what resources are available to teachers on the Pearson English Portal. First, log in to the Pearson English Portal and select Resources. Here, you will see all of the resources available to you. The first folder contains class audio. This is all the audio files from the pupil's book and activity book. The second folder contains all the video files, culture videos and story animations for levels 1 and 2, organized unit by unit. Both the audio recordings and the video clips can also be accessed from the presentation tool when you are presenting lessons to students. The third folder contains all the tests for the course, as well as audio files, teaching notes, answer keys, audio scripts, and accompanying tests. For each level, the tests include a placement test, unit tests, end-of-term tests, and an end-of-year test. You also have sample papers for international exams in the same folder. The fourth folder contains all the photocopyables for the course. There's a wide range of worksheets available to download and photocopy, including extra grammar and vocabulary practice, communication activities, and culture video worksheets. The fifth folder contains a collection of useful video clips with information on the course called Teaching with Team Together. And there are audio and answer keys for accompanying books in the series. This folder contains the GSE teacher mapping booklets. And finally, in the last folder, you can see the resources that are available to students. Students have access to homework, games, and course videos. The games are interactive vocabulary and grammar games. There are 4 games per unit. While you can play these with the whole class, your class can also access them at home in their own time. Homework activities are interactive, and you can assign them to your students for homework. When students complete them at home, activities are automatically graded by the system, and you can see the results in the gradebook. The starter level is a short introductory level. The resources for teachers are class audio, photocopyable resources, teaching with videos, and GSE teacher mapping booklets. The photocopyable resources include activities to develop early reading and writing skills and focus on key vocabulary, numbers 1 to 10, and letters of the alphabet. We have now discussed the teacher's resources for Team Together. To learn about the remaining digital components, please watch the other videos in the series.